Like, sir, best example, I covered multiple examples. Ananya example, right? Ananya, she's very weak in mathematics. She's very weak in mathematics. Just what she did here, every day. Okay, two problems I want to solve. Every day, two problems, at least two problems I want to solve. Making two problem solving is not a big deal. Just over 1 month or 2 months period of the time, then automatically our way of feeling about mathematics got changed. Now mathematics will become, maths will become very easy. So for a day, how many problems she is solving? Just two problems. Just two problems. That two problems over a period of time, over 2 months or 3 months. She is feeling that yes. So this habit will become very easy. Something like this habit. I mean, the mathematics will become very easy. Something like she is feeling. Observe that carefully, right? Okay. Next, even another example I cover. Ravi wanted to improve his English. What he did is every day one paragraph. He wrote and read. Every day one paragraph. How much time is required? Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes is required. Only 2 minutes is required. Okay, 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. But after 6 months, he is in a position to speech public speech in English with more confidence. So here, how much time you are spending? It's not required to worry. Walk slowly, yeah, as much as possible, no problem at all. Hurry, how much slowly? No issue at all. Walk slowly, but never backward. Progress must be important. Remember this. Okay. So, when compared with yesterday, today, any progress? Only 1% progress or only 0.1% progress. No problem at all. Happily continue. You are in the correct direction. You are not required to keep full efforts randomly. You require to keep small efforts consistently. That thing matters a lot, friends. Observe very carefully, right? Next, Kiran, what he did is he want to improve his sales. He want to improve his sales in online. So simple. What the Kiran did here? He published one product video every day. How many videos? Respond. How many videos?
One. Only one.
Only one product video he published. Then automatically, what will happen is, over a period of time, maybe some 3 months, 6 months, 1 year span, then automatically because of those videos, his sales got doubled. So the important point you people should be aware: walk slowly, but never backward. Progress, not perfection. Progress is important, not perfection. Okay? So forget speed. Forget about speed. Do something. Forget about speed. Okay? Just track direction. Forget about the speed. Speed. Just track direction. Only track direction. Which activity I require to do? Concentrate only on that. How much speed I'm moving? Forget about speed. Speed is not at all important. Just one push-up daily. One push-up daily. Or one paragraph. One paragraph. Okay, one phone call. One phone call. Okay, client calls I require to take. Or at least one call every day I require to do that. Read one page. Something like that. Yeah. Wonderful, right? Just if you do like this, what is the biggest advantage we are going to get is, what is the biggest advantage we are going to get is, yes, definitely this consistency makes us, okay, to successful in our life or makes us to achieve our goals. But only secret for you people, okay, for success is consistency. How much effort you are taking, not at all important. Okay, just a small effort also, no problem at all. This is the thing, what I explained. Slow progress is still progress only. Slow progress is still progress only. The day you stop comparing, you start growing. Okay, if you, as long as you are not stopping, you're never going to fail. Once you stop, yes, definitely you are going to fail. Remember this one. Don't stop. Slowly you will go, no problem at all. Slowly you will go, no issue at all. Okay? I move forward with patience and power. I celebrate small wins every day. My slow steps are building my strong future. My slow steps My slow steps are building. My slow steps are building my strong future. My strong future. Yes, wonderful. What is the meaning of walk slowly but never backward? Progress